Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide, I'll show you where screenshots are stored on Android. Let's get straight into it. If you've taken a screenshot and can't find it, don't worry. Android automatically saves screenshots for you. Let's first see what happens when you take a screenshot. If I press the power button and the volume down button together at the same time, you'll see a screenshot animation appear on the screen. A preview of the screenshot will also appear. Now let's find out where that screenshot was saved. I'll tap on the Google Photos app to open it. On this app, you'll see a section at the bottom called Collection. Let's tap on that to open it. Within this page, there's a section dedicated to screenshots. Let's tap on that. You should now see any recent screenshots you've taken saved on your device. You can scroll through those to find the screenshot you're looking for. Now, if you're unable to find it using the Photos app, there's also another location where screenshots are stored. Returning to my home page, you'll see the Files app is shown there. Now, this app isn't always easy to find. If you can't see it on your phone, you can open it by tapping on the Google search bar and searching for Files. You can then tap on the app that's shown in the search results to open it. Opening this, you should now see image folders stored on your device. Again, you'll see there's a dedicated Screenshots folder. If I tap on that, all of my recent screenshots are shown. And of course, you can tap on any screenshot to open it. And that's all there is to it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Woggle Guides for free. Thanks for watching, and do look after yourself until next time.